Looking for your next big adventure? Hey, it's Ivan from This Is San Diego, and in this episode, we're taking you to iFLY. Let's check it out. If you've ever wanted to experience skydiving without actually having to jump out of a plane at 12,000 feet, well, now you can. iFLY, located in Mission Valley, is an indoor skydiving facility that is fun for the entire family. So we're here with Sean from iFLY. Sean, thanks so much for having us out. Really appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you as well.
So, got some questions for you. First of all, this thing looks incredible. Is it like skydiving but indoors?
Essentially, that's the idea. So the free fall portion of a traditional skydive, you get a lot of the wind in your face, you get a lot of the sensation of the floating or the free falling, right? And that's what we're simulating here with the wind tunnel, the jet turbines at the top of the building that creates a recirculating system and it pushes you up. So it's a pretty one-to-one translation from a free fall of a skydive.
Awesome, awesome. So who can fly? What's the age limit?
We pride this on being an all ages activity. Our minimum age is 3 years old and we don't have a maximum. As far as I know, the oldest person that we've had in the wind tunnel, not at this particular location, but is 106 years old.
106, that's incredible. Now, do you need any previous experience?
Not at all. We've got a myriad of people that come in from all walks of life coming in to do this very first time. We also have people that are differently abled that can come in here. We have all of our instructors ready to take anybody who wants to do this with no experience at all. So all of our instructors are really qualified to take anyone.
Phenomenal. So do you mind if we try it?
Absolutely, let's do it.
All right. You guys, that was so incredible. I highly recommend it. Everyone in San Diego, you gotta come down to iFLY and check it out. Now, I'm here with Jessica from iFLY. I know that you guys work a lot with schools and the community. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yes, absolutely. So we host STEM field trips for our schools in San Diego, youth organizations. We're partners with the Boy Scouts. We're partners with the Girl Scouts. We work with the YMCA, the Boys and Girls Club, and then all the schools come to iFLY for STEM field trips.
Awesome, awesome. Yeah. I got to come down and check that out sometime.
Yeah.
What about for your All Abilities audience out there? I know you have an event coming up in December. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so December 15th, Sunday, we have an All Abilities event. This event is an inclusive event for people who are physically challenged or cognitively challenged. And we invite this group here for networking purposes, and also we believe that anyone can fly.
Sure.
And so we have people who are quadriplegic, paraplegic, on the spectrum, and they get in the tunnel and they fly just like the rest of us, and it's just the most amazing program.
That's incredible. Thank you so much for having us. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
So I got my certificate. I'm officially certified at iFLY in San Diego. I want to thank Sean and Jessica and my instructor Nolan. So if you're thinking about an awesome school field trip, maybe a team building event at the office, or just an awesome party, you got to check out iFLY for sure. My name is Ivan from This Is San Diego, brought to you by Powers Premier, revolutionizing real estate. We'll see you next time.